Okay, so what I did was I put equals right here, frequency, and then the data array, which I think you had that highlighted. Let me. And then you do the comma. Let me go back up. And then your bins array will be this. Highlight that. And close your parenthesis. And really, you just put it into the first one. Equals frequency, highlight your bin, comma, highlight your array, then comma, your bins. Then you close your parenthesis here and press enter, and it should bring it all down. So let me just say that again. I put my formula in right here and highlighted everything, and then pressed enter right here, and it brought everything down.